This design is perfect. I'm gonna be the first flying elephant.
My fellow jungle inhabitants, I have a dream. I believe I can fly. Look at me, I'm flying. Oh dear. Well, that didn't quite work.
Don't be afraid to create, Eli. Your imagination is magical.
Oh no! How do I land this thing?
Thanks for hanging out in the jungle. Hit that subscribe button for more wild laughs and funny animal tales only on JungleJokes.